Question 20. This is a local question. It adds the condition that L is in bouquet 1. So throw down your spaces and then put L into bouquet 1. Anytime you have L, one rule says that you have to have R, which is going to add an R to bouquet 1 as well. And remember, anything that's in bouquet 1 can't be in bouquet 3, so that means that we can't have R or L in bouquet 3. Of course, we have to have an S eventually. And remember, you can't have an S in bouquet 1. That was something we knew from the very beginning. Now, at this point, bouquet 2 and 3 are pretty light. They both have 2 open spaces. So at this point, we have 2 spaces left in bouquet 3, and we only have 3 things left that could go there: S, P, and T. And this is where a rule like that last rule is going to become very important. So our last rule says if you don't use a P, you're not allowed to use a T. So if you consider for a moment, if we were to strike P, we would also have to strike T, which would mean that the only thing we had left to fill up both of those slots in bouquet 3 would be S's. And also both of the slots in bouquet 2 would become S's as well, but that can't happen. You can't have 2 copies of S in the same bouquet. So long story short, that means we can't get rid of P, we have to pick it. So we're definitely going to put a P into each of those blanks. Then with a P there, the remaining blank could be either S or T. Of course, as soon as bouquet 3 gets a P, that means bouquet 1 can't have it, and through the same rule, if you don't have a P, you can't have a T. So let's go look to see what the answer choices are about. We're looking for something in this question that must be true. And answer choice A says there are L in bouquet 2, which doesn't have to be true. We could put it down there, but we don't have to have it. Answer choice B says that there are P in bouquet 3, and that is something that must be true. And because it must be true, it's our answer, and we don't really need to keep looking at other answers. On the day of the test, trust your work, pick the answers you've proven, but to see why the other answers are not things that must be true, answer choice C says that there are roses in bouquet 2, which could be true in that extra space, but doesn't have to be. D says that there are T in bouquet 2, which could be true, doesn't have to be true. And E says that there are T in bouquet 3, which, same thing, doesn't have to be true, even though it could be true. So the only thing that must be true is answer choice B.